ballerina.
I have the one and only 24 karat gold Labubu.
Yo, what's up, chat? Happy New Year! 2025 has ended and 2026 began. This year already ended, bro. Actually, for me it still didn't end, but I'm gonna pre-record this like 2 hours before. Like it's now 50-50. But like this year has already ended. All the memes, like 6-7, like Labubu, everything. It's gonna be just nostalgia. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. And I still don't have a proper like uploading schedule. But chat, I promise I'll fix it. I promise I'll fix it. I just want to thank everyone for all the memes and memories this year, chat. And now here's a video of where I'm launching my fireworks myself, like about 3 hours or like 4 hours. Like it's almost 8 p.m. So like about 4 hours I'm gonna let you see my firework launch. If I even have like uploaded it, like I don't know. Alright, gang, that's the videos. I'm not gonna show anymore because my face is in the rest of the footage, and I'm not trying to face reveal until I reach 10 mil subscriber. So make sure to like and subscribe, and have a happy new year. Bye, y'all.
Happy